Okay, Super Space Acer with a Pi PEB Pico on Forti mode, which you go into the config menu and you select B. So let's see how this sounds compared to the SID Blaster. The explosions are kind of muted. The pickup item and collision sounds are a little loud. Now this was with the Pi PEB and mode 3 for the Forti, which I believe is the all channels with a monaural down mix. So you definitely probably want to get a SID Blaster if you want to sound hard with this game, which means you need to have a peripheral expansion box. SID Blaster just sounds so much better so far. I'm not sure what the blip 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 sound is. Maybe me hitting one of the weapons, or I'm not quite too sure. What Mike calls these things here. call them the space ping pongs, I guess. And these are the, I'll call these other things the space turtles. And those space turtles, boy, they're wimpy. They like to escape. And again, this is a playthrough of the beginner, so we can hear the Forti sound on a real TI-99, or a Forti sound that's emulated through the Pi PEB, micro PEB. Oops. Oh, and I hate those spiky things. Oh, there's the space turtles. Ping pong things, go away. I don't know what all that hissing just was. Oh, it's the radioactive thingies. And some more space turtles. Those things just like dive bomb you and run away. I don't like shooting those because they will go all over the place. Like that. The space radioactive nuke bombs. This thing's throwing out homing missiles and probes and all kind of stuff. And so we're at the end of the beginner level, which is actually just a simulation. And so when you're done, the game actually will ask for your initials if you fit in the high score table. One really cool thing about this game is it has an EEPROM, and it stores all the high scores in it, which you can reset. So this is going to be brought to VCF Southeast this weekend, and I'm hoping that this entire high score screen gets overwritten by the people that play. I'm hoping that we actually get some people beating advanced mode, because I know we're going to have some really great gamers this weekend that will be playing this game. But there's your demo with the Forti sound option of Super Space Acer. Hope you enjoyed it.